Hey there. Ever feel utterly drained, not from physical labor, but from just existing? That constant hum of what next? It's not just you. We navigate an estimated 35,000 decisions daily, from the shirt to wear to significant choices. Like a muscle, your mind tires, leading to the decision fatigue. Remember those days scrolling endlessly, unable to pick a show? That's it. What if, like Obama simplifying his wardrobe, we consciously reduce those trivial choices? It's not about restriction, but freedom. Freeing your mind for what truly matters, creating a quiet strength within. A calm mind is a powerful one.